that means anything to all of our lives is that when that hits zero, comes home with me. I want to take this home with me, so after I'm gone, you guys don't forget about me. I'm afraid that no matter how much I can give to you in this limited time, that I'll never be enough, and I'm just going to end up letting y'all down.
Here we go. This is the countdown to Saturday. And so you precisely know how much time you got left to admire John Cena as your hero.